Yes. Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy and welcome to this session. So guys, listen to our new anthem, that is Let's Crack GATE and ESE with India's largest learning platform. So guys, before proceeding further, let me introduce myself. Guys, I am Krishan Dev. I did BTech from NIT Silchar in CSE. I also studied at IIT Ropar and at JNU New Delhi during post graduation. Along with that, I am GATE as well as NET JRF qualified in CSE. And finally, if we talk about teaching experience, then guys, I have more than 4 years of experience in GATE CSIT. So now let's talk about Unacademy. Everybody knows about Unacademy, that is India's largest online learning platform. So guys, you can download Unacademy learning app from Play Store or Apple Store, and after downloading, what you are going to get, I am going to explain one by one. First thing is the daily live lectures. That means every day you will find some educator will be online, and you can watch the live sessions or live lectures. Also, you can participate during live sessions. You can raise your doubts and queries in the live sessions. Okay, second thing is live test and quizzes that will be provided on Unacademy. So these tests and quizzes will include, yes, topic wise test, then subject wise test, and finally mock test and full length test also. Third one is structured courses. That means the courses provided on Unacademy are in very structured manner. And final one is unlimited access. That means once you get the subscription, then by chance if you miss out the live session, then same lecture you can see in the recorded form also. I think that is the greatest advantage. Okay. Okay. Next one, on Unacademy, India's topmost educators are there. So you can see various courses are available on Unacademy platform. So guys, finally let's talk about subscription plans. So you can see these plans varies from 1 month to 24 months. And for instance, if you want the subscription for 24 months, then the amount is 30,000. Use my code, that is day1 DEV1 during subscription and get a discount of 10%. Then the final amount after discount will be 27,000. Similarly, if you want the subscription for 12 months, then the amount is 25,000. Again, you can use my code during subscription, that is day1, and get a discount of 10%. Then the final amount after discount will be 22,500. Similarly, if you want the subscription for 6 months, then the amount is 20,000. Again, use my code, that is day1 DEV1, and get a discount of 10%. Then the final amount after discount will be 18,000 and so on. Yes, good evening guys. Yes. So guys, those students who want the subscription, they can take the subscription as soon as possible, because there will be a hike in the amount from 20th October onwards. Okay. Yes. So guys, in the last lecture we were discussing, yes, equivalence, logical equivalence. We seen what is tautology, what is contradiction, what is contingency, and various other logical equivalences contains various laws. Okay. Yeah, so today we'll see normal forms, that is very important. Yes, normal forms. Yes, am I audible or not? Tell me once, guys. Yes, tell me, guys. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to start now. That is normal forms. Okay. Yes. So guys, you can see first one we'll see what is well-formed formula. So I already told you just what is well-formed formula. So again I am writing the definition of well-formed formula, that is WFF. So we can say that WFF, well-formed formula, is a string. We can say that is a string consisting of propositional variables. Propositional variables, comma, we can say that connectives and parenthesis used in, that is important, used in the proper manner, isn't it? That is known as what? Well formed formula. Yes, good evening guys. So we can say, for instance, let us take one example. Let's say P implies Q or negation R. We can say that yes is a well formed formula, but we can say that P implies Q, negation R is not a well formed formula, because here connectives are not used in the proper manner, isn't it? Tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Tell me once. Yes or no? Yes guys, tell me once. Is that clear to everyone or not? Yes. Okay. So next we'll see what is a literal. Okay. So we can say that a variable in, we can say that a variable in primed or unprimed format is known as what? Is known as what? Is known as a literal. Logical argument, we cannot say that a logical argument, but we can say that every logical argument is a well formed formula, isn't it? We can say that every logical formula, we cannot say, we can say that every, yes, argument is a well formed formula, but every well formed formula need not be, yes, an argument, because if a proposition, single propositional variable P, if it is written, then we can say that it is also well formed formula, but we cannot say that is the argument, because every argument has some specific format. That means the premises followed by conclusion, isn't it? Yes, isn't it? That means if only one variable is written, that is yes, correct logical expression, that is a well formed formula, but that is not an argument, because every argument has some specific format, that is premises for followed by conclusion. So we can say that every argument is a well formed formula, but every well formed formula need not be an argument. Yes, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes guys, tell me. Yes, isn't it? No, we cannot say that P is argument, where is premises and where are conclusion. Where is conclusion? Where is conclusion? If I assume, let's say P is a simple proposition. Let's say P is simple proposition, then where is conclusion? Yes, tell me, where is conclusion? Where is conclusion? If I assume P is a simple proposition, then there is no conclusion at all. Yes or no? No, we cannot say that. Yes, we cannot say that. Means you want to say that every logical formula or every logical expression is a argument. That means you are saying that every logical expression is an argument. That is not correct. Every logical expression is not an argument. Argument has some specific format. Output values doesn't mean that it is conclusion. Some premises or hypotheses are given to you and we will assume these hypotheses as a true, and then then we'll see what is the conclusion, whether conclusion is true or not. That is known as argument, isn't it? Okay. So what is a literal? Literal means a variable in primed or unprimed format, that is known as a literal. For example, there are various variables, let's say pqr, then these are the variables. But if we write a p, then p dash, then q, q dash, that means these or this expression contains literals. That means a variable in primed or unprimed format. Primed means in complementary format, and without complement a variable is simply known as unprimed variable, isn't it? Yes guys, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me once, is that clear to everyone or not? So there are two normal forms. First one we'll see disjunctive normal form. Disjunctive normal form, that is DNF. And second one is what? Conjunctive normal form. There are two normal forms. First one is disjunctive. Second one is conjunctive. That is known as what? CNF. Isn't it? Okay. Next one we'll see. Let's say an elementary product. We can say that an elementary product is what? Is a product of literals. That means a product of literals is known as what? Elementary product. Technically we can say yes, product of literals is known as what? Elementary product. Let's say there are two variables, then p q dash is elementary product, as well as p dash q, that is also elementary product, pq, that is also elementary product, and only p, that is also elementary product, isn't it? Similarly we can say that an elementary sum is a sum of literals, isn't it? So we can say that for example, p plus q dash, that is sum of literals. Similarly we can say that p plus q plus r, that is also sum of literals. Or we can say that p plus r, that is also sum of literals. That means these expressions are known as what? Elementary sum, isn't it? Yes guys, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, Ravi Kumar ji, yes, this is beneficial for MCA students also. Okay, so can I proceed further? Tell me guys. So पता चला आपको what is elementary product, what is elementary sum? Nothing, that is simple. Product of literal is known as elementary product, and sum of literals is known as elementary sum, isn't it? So write down next one, DNF, disjunctive normal form. So we can say that yes, a formula, we can say that a formula which is equivalent, to a given formula. Okay. A formula which is equivalent to a given formula and consisting of a, yes, we can say that consisting of a sum of elementary products. Sum of elementary products, yes, is called as what? Is called as, yes, a disjunctive or normal form, isn't it? For example, let's say one formula is given to you, P implies Q and negation, yes, and negation Q. So we can write it like that, P implies Q and negation Q can be written like that, negation P or Q and negation Q, and this can be written like negation P and negation Q, or we can say that Q and negation Q, yes or no? Similarly we can write it P dash Q dash plus, yes, we can write it Q dash. So we can say that this is what, this is a disjunctive normal form of the given formula. Yes or no? Both formulas are equivalent. You can see, you can verify it with the help of truth table also. Those these two formulas are equivalent, but this one is in the disjunctive normal form. So we can say that these normal forms are some specific forms to represent any logical expression. Yes or no? Yes, good evening. This one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, guys, tell me. Is that clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me. You can construct the truth table of this expression and the truth table of this expression. Both will be the same. That means both are equivalent. But this expression is in some specific form that contains what? Yes, sum of elementary products. You know very well, these are the elementary products, and the sum of these elementary products is known as disjunctive normal form. Yes. Yes, guys, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? यस यस रवि कुमार जी, आप स्टार्टिंग से देखोगे तभी समझ आएगा, अदरवाइज समझ नहीं आएगा। ठीक है, तो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर होगा ये सेम लेक्चर, उसको आप दोबारा से देख सकते हो, उसके बाद आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो सेम लेक्चर, isn't it? Yes, tell me guys, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, isn't it? Yes guys, tell me, is that clear to everyone or not? Okay, so write down next one, that is conjunctive normal form. So similarly we can say that a formula, yes, which is equivalent to given formula, equivalent to a given formula and consists of product of elementary sum. Product of what? Elementary sum is called as what? Is called as what? Yes, is called as a conjunctive or normal form of the given formula. Isn't it? Tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? For example, let us consider or obtain, yes, conjunctive normal form of the given formula P implies Q and a negation Q. That means whatever be the, yes, CNF corresponding to this given formula, that formula will be or must be equivalent to this formula only but that must be a yes product of elementary sum. So we can write it like yes, P implies Q, and negation Q can be written as yes negation P or Q, and we can say that negation Q, yes or no. So you can write it like P dash yes plus Q yes followed by Q dash, yes or no. So we can say that this is the product of yes elementary sum. This is what elementary sum. This is also known as what elementary sum, isn't it? Here only one variable or literal is present, that is also comes under elementary sum. We can call it elementary sum or elementary product also when there is only one literal, that is yes known to be elementary sum as well as elementary product, yes or no. So we can say that this one is what conjunctive normal form. You can see these two expressions are equivalent, but this expression is yes in CNF. Yes or no? Tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me. Yes, can I proceed further? Tell me guys. Yes. Okay. So write down next one. Next term is that is known as what? Yes, that is known as principal. Yes, disjunctive or normal form, and another is principal yes conjunctive normal form. This is known as PDNF, and this one is known as PCNF. This is also called as what? Yes, canonical yes sum of product, yes or no. That is also known as canonical yes sum of product, and this is also known as what is canonical product of sum. What is the meaning? Listen me correctly guys. Let's say yes, let's say one boolean function is ABC, and that is represented like yes AB plus B dash C plus ABC. Let us assume one boolean function is represented like that. So we can say that yes tell me what is the normal form of this expression. Tell me. Yes guys, tell me what is the normal form. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me guys, what is the normal form of this particular formula? Yes, tell me. Yes, whether it is in CNF or DNF. Tell me once. Yes, tell me whether this one is in CNF or DNF. Yes, tell me once. Yes, correctly, this one is in DNF, isn't it? Yes, guys, tell me, is this one is clear to everyone or not? Tell me, guys. Is that clear to everyone or not? This one is in DNF. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Yeah, so we can say that this one is in DNF, but but this is not in PDNF. Why? Because if a boolean function is in PDNF, then the expression contains yes all the variables either in primed or unprimed format. Let's say one more example in which all yes we can say that elementary products yes contains, we can say that yes all elementary products contains all these variables, three variables, yes or no, either in primed or unprimed number or primed or unprimed format. So we'll say this one is in PDNF, yes or no. Why? Because every term here contains all the variables a, b, c either in primed or unprimed format. Yes, tell me. This one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, guys, tell me. Tell me once this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me what about others? Tell me, guys, what about others? Is that clear to everyone or not? अगर आप response नहीं दोगे तो learning environment नहीं बनेगा. Okay? Yes. Now next you tell me, let us consider one example. Let's say one function is given to you, like let's say a plus b. Yes, then let's say a dash plus b plus c, and then a dash plus c dash. Isn't it? Now tell me, this function is in which normal form? Tell me, guys. Yes, tell me. That is what? Product of elementary sum. Yes or no? Product of elementary sum. So this is in what? Yes, we can say that CNF. Yes or no? But we cannot say that this is in PCNF. Why? Because every term is not having all the variables. Yes, so this is not in the PCNF. Yes or no? So let us consider one more example. Let's say, yes, ABC, one Boolean function is given to you, like a plus b plus c dash, then a dash plus b plus, let's say, c dash. Next one, let's say a dash plus b dash plus c dash. So we can say that here every term or every elementary sum term containing all the three variables, so we can say that this function or this expression is in PCNF. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Yes, guys, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me. Isn't it? Yes, tell me, guys, this one is clear to everyone or not? आगे बढ़े. Okay, write down. So write down the definition. Yes, write down the definition. Yes, principle. Yes, a disjunctive normal form, that is PDNF. Isn't it? So we can say that a formula, yes, is said to be in, yes, PDNF if it is a sum of what? Yeah, sum of mean terms. So what is mean term? I'm going to explain. Okay, what is mean term? Okay, we'll see. Yeah, so it is also known as what? It is also known as canonical. Yes, canonical sum of product. Yes or no? So what is mean term? Listen me correctly. Let P and Q, yes, be the prepositions. Let P and Q be the prepositions or prepositional variables. Isn't it? Then consider, yes, consider, let's say, we can say that, yes, consider one function. Let's say one function is given to you. Consider one propositional, yes, or we can say that consider one logical expression or logical formula. Let's say one function is given to you, P implies Q. So if we make the truth table of this one, so you can see PQ, there are four possibilities: true, 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 false, then false, true, then false, false. So here output will be what? That is true, then false, then true, then true. Yes or no? So listen me correctly, or in boolean we can say that this value will be 1, this one will be 0, and this one will be, yes, again 1, and this one again 1. So the terms corresponding to the output of 1 is known as what? A mean term. So we can say that here three places there is output as a 1. So we can say that this function contains three mean terms, isn't it? Yes, guys, tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes. So we can say that the truth value corresponding to a mean term will be the 1 or true. Isn't it? Tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Isn't it? Tell me. Yes, tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Tell me, guys. Yes. So if in Boolean algebra we can represent it like that, let's say these values are what? Yes, these values are, let's say, 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0, then 1 1. So it will be 1, this one will also be 1, this one will be 0, this one will be what? Yes, 1. So output is 1 corresponding to three terms. Yes or no? So these three terms are known as what? Mean terms. Isn't it? These are known as what? Mean terms. So remember, in case of mean terms, we can say that yes, yes, 1, or we can say that 0 is represented with, yes, we can say that 0 is represented with, yes, we can say that complement, and we can say that 1 is represented with, yes, represented with or without complement, isn't it? So in this expression we can say that yes, here 0 0 are there, so we will represent it with what? Yes, complement, that means p dash q dash, and this mean term will be represented with a p dash q, and this one will be represented with a pq, because one is represented with a unprimed format and 0 is represented with a, yes, p dash means a complement, isn't it? Yes or no? So three mean terms are there. First one is p dash q dash, second one is p dash q, and third one is pq. Is that clear to everyone or not? Yes, yes. Isn't it? Tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? So we can say that yes, corresponding to, we can say that corresponding to mean term, we can say that what? The truth value, yes, the truth value will be, or the truth value is 1. Yes or no? यस गाइस टेल मी। तो आप कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को डाउट हो रहा होगा कि ऐसा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखना, ऐसा हम क्यों कर रहे हैं। यस, ध्यान से देखना। सो यस, लिसन मी करेक्टली गाइस, लिसन मी करेक्टली। इफ यू राइट मीन टर्म्स लाइक दिस, so yes, sum of, let's say, every mean term is what? Yes, elementary product. Yes or no? Elementary product. And if we, yes, if we sum the elementary products, let's say p dash q dash plus p dash q plus pq, that is the sum of mean term. Yes or no? So this function is in two variables p and q. So can we say that this one is in, yes, pdnf or not? Yes, this one is in pdnf, because this is the sum of elementary products, and you can verify this expression is equivalent to given function p implies q. Yes or no? Yes, you can simplify it. Yes, p dash q dash plus p dash q plus pq. Yes, take p dash common from this expression. So it will become q dash plus q plus pq. Yes or no? So q dash plus q becomes 1. So this expression becomes p dash plus pq. So apply distributivity. So we can say that this one will be P dash plus P dot P dash plus Q. So this term becomes 1. So ultimately it is P dash plus Q, and that is equivalent to P implies Q. So we can say that yes, this is the way to represent any given function into PDNF format. Yes or no? Tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, guys, tell me. Yes, tell me. That means sum of mean terms will be the, yes, the expression which is equivalent to the given function. Yes, guys, tell me. This one is clear to everyone or not? Isn't it? So whenever it is given that this is the given function, and if in the question it is asked that write this function in the PDNF form, so what will you do? Yes, first you will make the truth table, and you will see where is the which entries are the, yes, corresponding to the output one. These expressions which are corresponding to output one are known as what? Mean terms, and sum of mean terms will be the PDNF form of the given logical expression. But remember guys, in mean terms 0 is represented with complementary format and 1 is represented without complement. That means if it is 0, so here we will write P dash. Here it is also 0, so we will write Q dash. Isn't it? If it is 1, so we will write it is P, and if it is also 1, so we will write it PQ. So this mean term will be PQ only. Yes, yes, you can say that this topic is also in, yes, a digital logic also. Yes or no? Isn't it? So in digital you will see this topic in detail. Yes or no? Okay, so write down next one. Second one is your principal conjective or normal form. That is PCNF. So we can say that for a given formula, an equivalent formula, yes, consisting of, yes, we can say that product of max terms only is known as what? Is known as a principal conjective or normal form. It is also known as what? It is also known as, we can say that, canonical, yes, product of sum. So what is max term? So we can say that, yes, we can say that, yes, corresponding to max terms, yes, the truth value is what? Truth value is 0, and we can say that here 0 is represented. 0 is represented. Yes, we can say that without complement, and again we can say that 1 is represented, yes, with complement. Yes or no? So write down one example. Let's say given function is P by conditional Q. So first step is construct a truth table. Yes or no? So you constructed the truth table. Yes, that is, let's say 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So this one value, this will be 1, this will be 0, this is going to be 0, and final this one will be 1. So identify the terms corresponding to output is 0. So these are the terms corresponding to, yes, output is 0. So we can say that these are the max terms. And what are the max terms? We can say that max term is what? Max term is, yes, elementary sum. Yes or no? Elementary sum. So we can say that here 0 will be represented without complement. So this is P, plus 1 is represented with, yes, complement, and this max term will be represented with, yes, P dash plus Q. Yes or no? Yes guys, tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? And now product of these max terms, yes, product of these max terms will represent the given function in, yes, PCNF. This one is PCNF or not? Yes, you can see every term contains both the variables, so we can say that this expression is in PCNF. Yes or no? And that is equivalent to P biconditional Q. You can verify, yes, P dash plus Q, yes, P plus Q dash, yes, so we can write it, yes, sorry, it is P dash plus Q, and yes, P plus Q dash, isn't it? So we can multiply these P dash P plus P dash Q dash plus PQ plus QQ dash. So this becomes 0. This is also going to be 0. So remaining will be PQ plus P dash Q dash. So we can say this is equivalent to P biconditional Q. Yes or no? So by using the max term, or we can say that max terms are used to represent any function in principal, conjunctive or normal form. Similarly, we can say that mean terms are used to represent a given function in PDNF, that means a principal or disjunctive normal form. Is that clear to everyone or not? Yes guys, tell me. This one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Isn't it? Tell me guys, this one is clear to everyone or not? So if I give you an example or any problem, so will you be able to write the PCNF form as well as PDNF or not? Tell me. Just tell me. Yes. So guys, tell me. Yes, guys, tell me. Can you, yes, can you write this particular function in, yes, tell me, PDNF form also or not? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, identify which are the mean terms. So you can say that these are the mean terms. So mean terms are what? We can say that elementary sum. Yes or no? What are the mean terms? Elementary sum. Yes or no? Where function output is 1. So represent 0 with the complement. So P dash Q dash elementary product. This one will be represented as, yes, PQ, that is what? Elementary product. That means these two are what? Mean terms. Yes or no? So if we write this one, so it will be sum of mean terms. So P dash Q dash plus PQ. So this function can be written like this only, and that is PDNF form also. Yes or no? Yes, tell me. Isn't it? Yes or no? So we can say that every function, every valid logical function or logical expression can be represented in PDNF as well as PCNF form. Yes or no? Yes guys, tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes. Yes. So you only tell me. Yes, tell me. Yes, you are. You can. You only tell me, guys. Yes, tell me. Yes, we can say that. Yes, PDNF and PCNF form for any given function will be unique. Yes or no? Yes, guys, tell me. Can we say or not? Yes, tell me. Can I say that the PDNF and PCNF, yes, are unique for any given function? Yes or no? Yes, can I say, yes, two well-formed formulas are equivalent. That means any two logical expressions are equivalent if and only if PDNF form of both the expression is same. Yes or no? Can I say or not? Yes or no? Similarly, can I say or not? Tell me once, guys. Two logical expressions or functions are same if and only if PCNF form of both the functions are same. Yes or no? Yes, tell me. Can I say or not? Yes, tell me. Third one, you only tell me these are the properties. We will write these properties one by one. So first listen me correctly. First one is clear to everyone or not? PCNF and PDNF are unique for a given function. Two functions, logical functions, are equal or equivalent if and only if PDNF form of both the functions is same. Similarly, दो एक्सप्रेशन के लिए हम बात करें, two expressions are same if and only if PCNF form of both are the same. Similarly, third one, you only tell me, let's say there are two variables. Yes, then we can say that how many rows are there? 2 raised to power 2, 4. So if we consider there are n variables, then how many rows will be there? 2 raised to power n rows. Yes or no? So can we say that yes, number of mean terms plus number of max term will be equals to 2 raised to power n. Yes, you can say that here 2 raised to power entries are there. So we can say that in these entries some will be mean terms, some will be max terms. So sum of mean terms plus sum of max term will be equals to 2 raised to power n only. Yes or no? Isn't it? Tell me, guys, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me, guys. Okay. So write down properties of PDNF, PCNF, mean term, and max term. So write down first one. I already explained you guys. For a given well-formed formula, yes, the PDNF and PCNF are unique. Similarly, we can say that two well-formed formulas are equivalent. We can say that if and only if PDNF form of both, or we can say that yes, PCNF form of both are same. Third one, you can write down for n number of variables, we can say that number of mean terms, yes, plus we can say that number of max terms, yes, will be equals to 2 raised to power n. Yes or no? Isn't it? Tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, write down fourth one, that is important. Fifth one is also important. Write down for a given truth value assignment of the variables exactly 2 raised to power n minus 1 mean terms will result 0 and only, yes, we can say that one mean term, yes, result or results in 1. What is the meaning of that? So listen me correctly, guys. Yes, you only tell me. Let's say there are two variables p and q. So let's say this one is 0 0, this one is 0 1, this one is 1 0, this one is 1 1. So let's say, let us assume, yes, the output corresponding to these expression is 1. Let us assume all these four are mean terms. So we can represent first one like p dash q dash. Second one we can represent with p dash q. Third one we can represent with a PQ dash, and fourth one can be represented like PQ. Yes or no? Tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Isn't it? So for a given truth value assignment of the variables, let's say one assignment is given to you, let's say first one, that is p dash q dash, which represents one mean term. So yes, put first row inside these variables. So 0 complement becomes 1, and again 0 complement becomes 1, so output will be 1. If we put the second row in this expression, then output will be 0. If we put the third row in this expression, then again output will be 0. If we put the fourth row in this expression, then again output will be 0. So we can say that for a given truth value assignment, that is this one, of the variables, we can say that exactly 2 raised to power n minus 1 mean terms, yes, will result in 0, and only one mean term will result in 1. Is that clear to everyone or not? Tell me once. Yes, guys, tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me once. This statement has been asked in GATE previously. So listen me correctly, guys. Yes, tell me. Yes or no? Similarly, if the given assignment is given to you, let's say, yes guys, listen me correctly. Let's say one assignment is given to you, this one, and this mean term will be represented with what? PQ. So put a first row in this one, so output will be 0. Put second row in this one, so output will be 0. Put third row, then output will be 0, and put fourth row, then the output will be 1. So you can say that 2 raised to power n minus 1 will result in the output 0, and only one mean term will result in the output 1. Yes or no? Tell me this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes or no? Isn't it? Okay. So write down next one, that is fifth one. So write down, similarly we can say that for any given truth assignment, yes, we can say that truth value assignment of the variables, we can say that exactly, yes, one maximum, yes, will result 0, and 2 raised to power n minus 1 max terms, yes, result 1. Yes or no? So let us take another example. Let's say PQ. These values are, let's say, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Let us assume that output or truth value of all these rows is equal to 0. So we can call it, yes, all these are what? Max term. So we can represent this one with, yes, we can say that P plus Q. Second max term can be written like P plus Q dash. Third max term can be written like, yes, P dash plus Q. And fourth one can be written like P dash plus Q dash. Yes or no? Now assume any truth value assignment is given to you. Let's say this one is given to you, P dash plus Q. So put first row inside this, then output will be 1. Put second row in this expression, then the output will be 1. Put expression or third row in this, then the output will be 0. Put a fourth row inside this expression, then the output will be 1. So we can say that, yes, yes, exactly one max term will result in 0, and remaining 2 raised to power n minus 1 will result in 1. Yes or not? Tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes, tell me. Isn't it? Tell me. Okay. Okay. So write down next one. Write down one note. So write down first one. You only tell me. You know very well that number of Boolean functions, yes, possible with n number of variables. N number of variables, yes, is equal to what? You only tell me, guys. Yes, you only tell me number of Boolean functions, yes, possible with n number of variables. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. So I need 7-8 minutes more. Okay. Yeah, so we can say that the answer will be 2 raised to power, yes, 2 raised to power n. Why? Because let us consider two variables pq. Yes, so we can say that, yes, so there are four possibilities: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So one function can be, let's say, p or q. So it can be 0, yes, or we can say that, then we can say that this one will be 1, then 1, 1. So one more function that is possible can be 0, 0, 0. One more can be possible like 0, 1, 0, 0. One more can be possible, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. One more that is possible, we can say that, yes, 0, 0, 0, 1. Yes or no? And lastly we can say that one will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes or no? So we can say that these functions will be how many? Yes, in this case we can say that, yes, how many? 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. That will be 2 raised to power 4. That is 16 functions will be there. You can count easily: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1, 0, 0, and so on up to 1, 1, 1. Yes or no? Can we say or not? Yes. So we can conclude why this formula is like that: 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n. So we can apply simple permutation combination. So we can say that if two variables are there, then there will be 4 rows. That means 2 raised to power n rows will be there, and each row contains, or each place, each position has two possibilities, either a 0 or 1. This is also has two possibilities, 0 or 1. This is also has 0 or 1. So we can say that these 2 raised to power n possible, positions contains two choice. So it will be 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n only. Otherwise you can write like that: Here there are two possibilities 0 or 1. Here there are two possibilities 0 or 1. Here there are two possibilities 0 or 1. And here also there are two possibilities. So all together how many choices or how many combinations are possible? 2 into 2 into 2, that will be, yes, 16 only. Yes or no? Yes guys, tell me, this one is clear to everyone or not? Yes. Yeah, so you only tell me, yes, out of these, yes, we can say that out of these 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n Boolean functions, you only tell me, yes, out of these 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n Boolean functions, if we pick a random function, then what is the probability that it is a tautology? Yes, guys, tell me. What is the probability that it is a tautology? Yes, tell me. Yes. Out of these total Boolean functions, if we pick a random function, then what is the probability that that is a tautology? So you can see there that only one possibility is there where all truth values are 1. So probability will be 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n. Yes or no? So write down second point in the note. Out of, yes, these 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n Boolean, yes, functions, if we pick, yes, a random Boolean function, so we can say that then the probability, yes, that it is a tautology. Yes, will be what? Yes, 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 raised to power n. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if it is for contradiction, then this will be same or not? So we can say that only one function is there in which all values are zeros or false. Yes or no? Third one, you only tell me what is the probability that, yes, it is a contingency. It is a contingency. So we can say that, yes, one case or one function will be tautology, one will be contradiction, remaining all will be what? Contingency. So favorable cases will be how many? 2 raised to power 2 power n, yes, minus 2 divided by total number of functions. Yes or not? Tell me. Is that clear to everyone or not, guys? Tell me once. Isn't it? Yes, tell me once. This one is clear to everyone or not? Isn't it? Yes. Okay, so that's all about normal forms. Okay. So guys, we will be having yes, one test and our quiz based on these lectures, these theory lectures on Unacademy learning app. So my profile, Unacademy profile link is given in the description of this video. From there you can follow me on Unacademy learning app. First download Unacademy learning app from Play Store or Apple Store, and after that via that link you can follow me on Unacademy learning app so that you can attend the live test and quizzes. Isn't it? Yes. Yes guys, also you can subscribe our channel. Our channel name is, YouTube channel name is Let's Crack GATE CSE. You can subscribe our channel, that is Let's Crack GATE CSE. Also you can press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications regarding live lectures. Also you can join our Telegram group. The link is given in the description of this video. So from there you can join our Telegram group also. And for plus subscription, use my code, that is day1 DEV1, and get a discount of 10%. So those students who want the subscription, Yes, take the subscription as soon as possible because there will be hike in the price. Yes, 20th October onwards, isn't it? Okay, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So I'm going to close the session for today. So we'll continue tomorrow, isn't it? Thank you so much. Yes.